Hi, my name is Charela Diaz, and I'm gonna brief you about the airline security duties and responsibilities. Every airlines are responsible of ensuring the security of the passengers by means of screening the passengers and baggage, which called security screening. TSA works closely with the intelligence and law enforcement communities to share information. This includes securing baggage and cargo and protecting the aircraft.
Hello, I'm Jelena. I represent the flight deck crew for the security duties and responsibility. Flight deck access and safety issues communication where cabin crew should avoid routinely contacting the flight deck during times. Another is crew incapacitation to train crews to be alert to the possibility of a flight crew member becoming incapacitated in flight and physiological need, naturally the need for flight crew to use toilet access, designated crew rest facilities, and such that requires access through the flight deck door during flight.
Hi, my name is Rosita. We'll briefly discuss the senior cabin crew member. As a senior cabin crew member, we apply all safety, security, and service standards and procedures and other sources, as well as briefing the cabin crew on all relevant safety and security. We also provide effective leadership to our cabin crew and liaising between our flight and cabin crew and more activities to discover.
My name is Aura, where I introduce the other cabin crew. Same as the senior cabin crew but follows all their directives of our senior cabin crew member under the authority of the aircraft pilot in command. And we do report all situations affecting the safety and security of the operation, same as the safety concerns.
And lastly, I am Cha again as I present the passenger security duties and responsibilities. We should be aware of reporting suspicious acts by means of being observant, not leaving things unattended, and follow security procedures.
Ladies and gentlemen, in command of the aircraft is Captain Salem, assisted by First Officer Odayas, and this is your senior flight attendant, Jelena Angeles. Together with the team, it is our delight pleasure to serve you in this flight. Welcome aboard HISTA Air TM3701 bound to Singapore. We request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of these aircraft. When the seatbelt sign illuminates, you must fasten your seatbelt. Insert the metal fittings one into the other and tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight, as we may experience turbulence. There are several emergency exits on these aircraft: forward, aft, and over each wing exit. Please take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. If we need to evacuate the aircraft, floor-level lighting will guide you towards the exit. Doors can be opened by moving the handle in the direction of the arrow. Each door is equipped with an inflatable slide which may also be detached and used as a life raft. A life vest is located in a pouch under your seat or between the armrest. When instructed to do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist and adjust at the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord, only when leaving the aircraft. If you need to reveal the vest, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and light to attract attention. At this time, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement made upon arrival. Please note that the life vests are meant for use during an emergency only. Removing the life vest from the aircraft is a criminal offense. Do not inflate life vest inside the aircraft. In the event of an emergency, please assume the bracing position, lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your elbows against your thighs. Ensure your feet are flat on the floor. Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored. In the event of a decompression, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. To start the flow of oxygen, pull the mask towards you. Place it firmly over your nose and mouth. Secure the elastic band behind your head and breathe normally. Although the bag does not inflate, oxygen is flowing to the mask. If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance, secure your mask on first and then assist the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove it. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors located in the lavatories is prohibited by law. You will find this and all the other safety information in the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read it before takeoff. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask one of our crew members. Thank you for choosing Hista Air once again. This is your senior flight attendant Jolina Angeles, serving you nothing but the best on board. Enjoy the flight. Ladies and gentlemen,
Sir, could you please wear your mask properly?
Sure, no problem.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please store your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt, and also make sure your seat back is in full upright position. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Your seatbelt isn't on. Would you mind to put it on? It is for your safety purposes during on-flight.
I'm sorry, but I feel uncomfortable wearing the seatbelt. I can properly sit on my seat.
I understand, sir, but you have to wear it for the entire flight for your own safety. Also, the seatbelt has an adjustment. You can adjust it on your own if you think that it makes you uncomfortable to wear because you don't have enough space on your seat. Would you like some assistance with that?
No, I don't think so, because I'm not going to put it on.
Sir, excuse me, you are not allowed to stand up on your seat while the seatbelt sign is on. Sir, we assure that you'll be fine in the entire flight, but you have to follow the protocols inside the aircraft during the flight.
I can stay on my seat. I don't have the freedom to move on my own seat. The server here is so disappointing.
I apologize for that, sir, but if your only problem is regarding of the space of your seat, we can upgrade you to the business class, which offer more services and space for your convenience.
Oh, if that's the case, then lead the way.
This will be your seat, sir. We have everything settled in your seat. You can fire menu meal on board and you have enough space to do whatever you wish. But please always make sure to put your seatbelt on.
Thank you. Sure, that will be no problem anymore.
Thank you for your cooperation. If you need something or you have any question, don't hesitate to call for us. Have a nice flight.
Open seatbelt! Leave everything! Come this way! Jump and slide! Open seatbelt! Leave everything! Come this way! Jump and slide! Open seatbelt! Leave everything! Come this way! Jump and slide!
Open seatbelt, leave everything, come this way, inflate life jacket, hands in it. Open seatbelt, leave everything, come this way, inflate life jacket, hands in it. Open seatbelt, leave everything, come this way, inflate life jacket, hands in it.
Heads down, stay down. Heads down, stay down. Heads down, stay down.
Heads down, stay down. Heads down, stay down. Heads down, stay down.
Good morning, welcome on board. May I check your boarding pass, please? Thank you.
Ma'am, please proceed to your right. Our colleague will be happy to assist you on your seat.
Sure, please lead the way.
Ma'am, can I assist you with the seat? Your seat will be the one in the window side. May I help you with your luggage, ma'am?
No, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. You can place your duty-free bag under the seat in front of you. Thank you, ma'am.
Attention all ground staff. The aircraft is now ready for departure. We ask all ground personnel to leave the aircraft immediately. We would like also to request all customers to take their assigned seats now to allow us to close the aircraft doors in preparation for departure. Thank you. Hi, good morning, Mrs. Salem. Would you like to use the headset for your in-flight entertainment monitor?
Of course.
Here you go.
Ayan, paano ito gamitin?
Thank you.
Ayan, paano ito gamitin? Ayan.
Hi, Mrs. Salem. Would you like to use our refreshing towel?
Yes, of course.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Tulog. Balik. Ayan.
Mrs. Salem, for your comfort throughout the flight, would you like to have our complimentary amenity kit?
Sure.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ayan, di na nakatulog. Balik. Ayun,
Okay na mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin lights will shortly be dim for the takeoff. Those of you who wish to continue reading, please switch on the reading lights in this area. Thank you.
Ma'am, would you like to join us for breakfast?
Yes,
For the breakfast, we do have the following. First is the scrambled egg with cheese and chicken sausage, and the second one is sweet pancakes with strawberry compote. Which would you like to have?
I want the scrambled egg with cheese and chicken sausage.
Anything to drink, ma'am? Would you like to have the alcoholic or non-alcoholic beverage?
I want the non-alcoholic beverage. What can you suggest?
I can offer you water, orange juice, Coke, and Coke.
And then I want just water.
Thank you.
Anything to Gash?
Yes, please. I have. Can you please throw it to the trash can? Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have commenced our descent into Manila and the seatbelt sign has been turned on. Please return to your seat and ensure your hand luggage is stowed in the overhead bins and under the seat in front of you. Emergency exits, including front row seats, should be clear of all items. Please fasten your seatbelt, stow your tray table, and keep your seat back upright. We ask that you place all mobile phones and electronic devices in the flight safe mode now, until we have landed. Thank you.